Hey y'all, let's get into my favorite nude lip combo. When using matte formulas, always moisturize your lips. I love this gloss. It has vitamin E and it's only 99 cents. Let's try this MAC Oak pencil. Nah, I changed my mind. I need a warmer color. I'll just use my favorite brown from MAC. The color is Cork. See? It looks much better. I love a brown nude lip. This is by Morphe. The color is Sweet Tea. It's affordable and the formula is amazing. Isn't she cute? Not me, the color. Such a perfect daytime look. The lipstick is neutral and the liner is soft. Let's transition to happy hour or a night out on the town. I'm going to turn it up a notch with MAC Chesnut Lip Pencil. Yes! She's ready. For more tips and tricks, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio.